Hi, and welcome to another Allar tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to make our weapon do actual damage so you can kill people. Yay! Let's take a look at what it's doing right now. Let me just compile the code really quick to make sure that everything is working. Alright, so launch your game, and I clicked the wrong launch button. But right now our gun fires. I'm going to close this. I'm going to click the server button, and it's going to host a server for my game on this level, HT first level. Here's our game, yay! Not much to do, right? But then, depending on if you have something set in this number of clients, if you have 2, you might already have 2 clients up. But I like 0, because that way it doesn't just pop up things randomly. So I'm going to go ahead and add a client. And it's going to create another instance of our game. And it's going to automatically connect to our server. Yay! And we've already went over how to fix that loading screen in the last tutorial. Now, if I shoot my guy, he should die. Boom! Oh, he's not dying. Instead, he's being pushed around. That's interesting. Your script or your gun might not push them around at all. But we'll go over how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. So what we want is for that gun to basically kill them. Now, all the weapon code is pretty much already set due to the upper class already containing all the proper code. If you just look in our HTWeapon class and all these default properties that we have, if you look at instant hit damage 0, our primary fire, that's controlling the damage for our gun. And hit momentum 1000, that means when something gets hit, they're going to be hit with a certain amount of force. And what you saw, that little jump that they were doing, that was 1000. I forgot to change that to 0.0 at the beginning of this tutorial, but now you know. Alright, so I'm going to just take what interests me here, and I'm going to take instant hit damage, or I'm going to take ammo count, max ammo count, and all this just right here. Go to my M16 weapon class. Remember we made a M16 class for based on our HT weapon, that way we can do things specific to the individual weapons. Alright, so I'm just going to paste these in here, and I want my max ammo count to be, I don't know, 9,001. So it's over 9,000. I'll go to ammo count. I'm going to change this to over 9,000. 9,001. There we go. So we're going to start out with 9,001 bullets. Cool. And for instant hit damage, I'm going to make it, I don't know, 25. And for our secondary, just because we can, I'm going to make this 500,000. Yeah. And for the instant hit momentum, keep this at 1,000. And for instant hit momentum 1, for our secondary fire, I'm going to go 100,000 or 1. What is that? That's a million. 1 million. I'll save this. I'll compile it. And it's going to compile just fine. And I'm going to go ahead and launch a server with 1 client. So I'm going to click server. And it's going to load my server. Just like this. And it should pop up with the client anytime now. There we go. If we right click, you'll notice our muzzle flash doesn't work because we didn't assign the muzzle flash to a right click, but right click still works. Alright. So we have our 2 players and they're in the game, right? So I'm going to left click and he's going to jump a little bit and it's going to take 25 health off of him. And we don't really have any health HUD stuff yet, but we're going to in the future. So I shot him once. If I shoot him 3 more times, he should die. 2, 3, 4. He's dead. Yay! And he dropped his gun. You can't pick up guns yet because we have to change some features or some code in order to allow that. But we'll do that soon. So we're dead. Respawn. And I'm using a bad model, or I'm using my my character model isn't animated or textured, so it's doing this weird thing. And that's our corpse, but we can't see the corpse here because of some replication stuff we gotta go over in the future. Anyways, so we have this here. If I right click, it's gonna do my 500 damage, instant momentum at a million. Let's see what that does. Boom! And that pushed our guy way far away. I don't know if you can see that through Camtasia, but that was pretty cool looking. If I shoot him, he's gonna go flying. Boom! And he's dead. So that's how you make your weapon do damage. In the future, we're going to go over how to make decal impacts on surfaces that you shoot at, and how to add like tracer effects to your guns and stuff like that. But for now, this is all you really need to test stuff, is have it actually do damage and have it do massive damage. Okay, maybe not really, but it's always fun. Alright, so that's how you get your weapon to do damage. So now you can begin testing damage on your guns and maybe start doing a little play testing. So there you have it. Stick around for our next tutorial, which will be about adding tracer rounds to the HUD, or adding tracer rounds to the weapon, or it will be about drawing health to the screen, because those are both important. So see you then.